This Vasina cake is a real queen of all cakes. Even though this is a very classic cake, I will make a modern twist on it and a look that represents a real queen. To make the sponge in a large mixing bowl, beat the eggs with the granulated sugar. Beat for about 7 to 8 minutes until thick mixture is formed. Then add the ground walnuts and flour. Mix with the help of a spatula and transfer the mixture into a 14-inch springform pan lined with a piece of parchment paper and greased with butter. Bake in an already heated oven at 350 Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes. Let it cool completely and brush with juice of 1 orange. To make the filling in a saucepan over medium heat, place in the ground walnuts, milk, sugar, and dark chocolate. Cook until everything is mixed and you get an even mixture. Remove from heat and let everything cool down. When the filling will be cooled in a bowl over simmering water, beat the egg yolks with the help of a hand mixer. Cook while beating the egg yolks for 2 to 3 minutes and then transfer to the chilled filling. Stir in the softened butter and mix until you get an even mixture. Transfer the filling to a cool sponge cake and spread it with the help of a spatula. In a saucepan over low temperature, beat the egg whites with the granulated sugar. Beat with the help of a hand mixer until glossy, shiny, and stiff peaks are formed. With the whipped meringue, decorate the whole cake. With the spatula, form uneven forms and burn them with torch. I hope you will give this recipe a try and let me know how it turned out. For a lot more coming in future, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on social media. Have fun cooking, until the next time.